Okay, we've got a full transit custom and we're installing, or we've installed, a Viper 106V Thatcham Category 2 approved 3-circuit immobiliser, touch key immobiliser. So you'll see there's a you get two of these little touch keys with the system, with each system. You see the receptacle on the dashboard showing us the system is armed with flashing of the LED. So if I try to start the vehicle now, oh, there we go, sorry. If I try to start the vehicle now, ignition on, key turn, you'll see there's nothing. Okay, so simple to deactivate. What we need to do is touch the touch key into the receptacle, like so. Light starts flashing fast. All the time the light is flashing fast, the vehicle will start and the light goes out, like so. When you turn the vehicle off, the light begins to flash quite rapidly for about 20 seconds or so. Once it's slowed down to a steady flash, then it needs to see a touch of the touch key again before it'll allow the vehicle to start. So it automatically immobilises every time you leave the vehicle, every time you switch the vehicle's ignition off, and deactivation is via one of your two electronic touch keys, which are individually coded, unique to each system. As I say, insurance approved, so keep your insurance company happy and keep your vehicle protected. Give us a call for more information.